ChangePro, a framework designed to help project leaders to be the very best they can be, and also a framework that's designed to guide organizations to be able to deliver change in a better, faster and more effective way. My name's Graham Wilson. I'm a leadership expert. I'm author of Leadership Laid Bare and the founder of the award-winning Success Factory. You know, I've been developing leaders for the past 23 years and helping organizations to be able to grapple with the complex world that we face at the moment. And one of the things I'm noticing at the moment is there's a trend, really, a pattern, if you like, that's happening. And I'm finding a lot of project leaders and project managers and even sponsorship groups are really struggling, and they're really struggling to land change at the pace that's required in today's world. You know, we're not designed to be agile enough. And one of the things that I'm finding, that translates to a lot of pressure for project leaders and also for sponsors, of course, because they're not actually getting that change delivered. And I'm finding many project leaders are feeling overwhelmed, they're stretched, they're tired, they're exhausted, they're not very happy, they're disengaged. And that's not a great place to be. It's not enough to just be able to deliver our projects on time, in scope and to budget anymore. We have to deliver benefits for the business in a really fast and effective way. And I'm also finding that organizations are imposing so much more change now to be able to remain competitive. And I think one of the things that I found is that that it's just not sustainable to carry on delivering project and change in the way that we're doing it now. So I've created ChangePro to be able to remove that challenge and to actually re-engage project leaders, but also to help organizations to be more effective. I want project leaders to embrace change, to be excited by it, by not being overwhelmed, not being stressed, and having a framework that can guide them in an effective way. How do you decide what type of project style you're going to use? Do you agile? Do you do waterfall? Do you use human-centered design? Do you use Prince 2? And what change methodology am I going to use? And it's getting very messy out there. So ChangePro really is a framework that's designed to be able to remove those issues and help our leaders to be more effective than they are now. What it is actually is a 24/7 online resource. It's got a number of elements to it. There's a video training course which starts off the process and that goes through a 6-stage framework and takes people through step by step. What is it they should be doing in today's world to be effective? Going through the whole stages of really understanding the context, scoping a project, getting a team together, planning a project more effectively, and then obviously then crafting the right approach and the right type of project methodology to use, but also then to be able to deliver the change effectively, but also to make the benefits happen in organizations. So I'll take you through bite-sized chunks. I know you're all very busy people, so I've broken it down into little chunks that you can watch on your mobile, on your PCs, and be able to watch in your time. And it's broken down into little steps to make it easy and also time efficient as well. Within that framework, of course, there are lots of templates, guides, and tools and techniques to be able to help you, not just on the methodology side, but also on the people side. Projects and change is all about people, so there's lots of training and development around that area as well. The other aspect of the ChangePro website is that the framework is there as a resource, and you can dip into that at any time. So within that, you'll get a number of videos that will describe what to do each of the stages, also the tools and templates and documents to be able to be more effective at what you do. And the idea about ChangePro really is to be able to educate and develop project leaders to be the very best they can be. So it's a really exciting time. It's revolutionary. It's a different way of approaching it. It fits to all the existing types of project methodologies out there. Agile, Prince 2, waterfall, human-centered design, user-centered design, lean thinking, Six Sigma, all those great tools out there. Plus also change tools like Kotter's framework. You've got ADKAR and you've got AIM. Some of the tools I've seen out there in the marketplace. And it's not about replacing those. It's about giving you a structured framework to guide your thinking to enable you to be more effective than you are now. To give you an example of that, recently I was working with a major UK retailer and I was able to help them to save over £185 million on a major change program just by teaching them the tools, techniques and frameworks that I'd like to share with you. So go and have a look at the framework and go and explore how you can learn what the very best project leaders in the world are doing to deliver change in their organizations. So I wish you well and every success.